is an initiative of Government of Kerala under Kerala University of Digital Sciences, Innovation and Technology, which was formerly known as IIITMK. The main objective of setting up the Kerala Blockchain Academy is to explore the disruptive potential of blockchain technology in bringing qualitative transformations of society and social economic well-being of people. KB was formed in a vision to achieve public good via promoting research, development, and entrepreneurship programs. The Research and Training Institute started functioning in the year 2017, and since then it has been an active collaborator and advocate of blockchain, offering different certification programs, research and development activities, and so on. KBA is an associate member and official training partner of Hyperledger, hosted by Linux Foundation. KBA is also a general partner of R3 Consortium, associate member of Interwork Alliance, a content partner of Blockchain Education Network, and knowledge partner of IBF-NET. All these collaborations have significantly contributed to KBA's growth in offering quality educational services. KBA is supported by the Kerala Development and Innovation Strategic Council, that is KDISC, which is an advisory body constituted by the Government of Kerala. KBA have many collaborators and partners from both industry and academia. Intel, Bosch, Wipro, Tamil Nadu E-Governance Agency, MLG Canada are few among them. The KBA Advisory Board includes Sri M. Madhavan Nambiar IAS, who is also the chairman of IIITMK, then Dr. Saji Gobinath, who is the Vice Chancellor of Digital University Kerala, and then Dr. C. Mohan, Dr. Jane Thomason, Dr. Dilip Krishnaswamy, Advocate N.S. Napinai, Dr. Sushmita Arush, and many others from academic and blockchain domain. KBA mentors include dignitaries from all around the world. They have been active supporter of the Kerala Blockchain Academy right from the inception, helping to foster strategic educational policies, research opportunities, and dynamic knowledge sharing. Our mentors include Mahesh Govind, Sudhin Barokar, Prasanna Lohar, Rajashree Mitra, and so on. Coming to our team, the young and enthusiastic team is headed by Dr. Ashraf, who is the Dean of Academics and Research and Professor at Kerala University of Digital Sciences, Innovation and Technology. He also serves as the visiting faculty at Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology and also a mentor to Kerala Startup Mission. Now moving to our core branches. Kerala KBA has got a powerhouse, which is a training division that offers in-person classroom-based training and certification programs in blockchain technology. Accelerated Blockchain Competency Development Program, that is ABCD program, it is a collaborative training program undertaken by KBA and KDISC to train professionals in the blockchain. KDISC already announced a blockchain developer program in free of cost for female candidates who are eligible for the scholarship. This program is an initiative of Government of Kerala to promote women education in technology and blockchain space. KBA Powerhouse currently offers different certification programs in blockchain from associate level to architect level. It also offers various workshops, seminars, and other corporate trainings on different blockchain technologies. Blockchain Powerhouse currently has more than 1,000 active online members through various special interest groups in Ethereum and Hyperledger who works on various collaborative research or development initiatives of KBA. Now coming to the different courses offered by Kerala Blockchain Academy. The first one is Certified Blockchain Associate. It is a beginner course to kickstart your blockchain journey, and this course covers all the essential description of blockchain technology and its industry use cases. Next one is Certified Blockchain Business Professional, which is built for business professionals by demonstrating blockchain impact and potential for change. Then Certified Ethereum Developer. It is a comprehensive suite of well-balanced theory and practical course on Ethereum. Then there are Certified Hyperledger Developer courses on Hyperledger Fabric and SOTU, which aims at building blockchain applications using Hyperledger Fabric or SOTU. Then Certified Coda Developer. This developer training program demonstrates the essential skills to build an application on top of Coda distributed ledger technology. Then Certified Blockchain Architect program, which offers the developers an exciting opportunity to work on live blockchain projects with the KBA's research and development team. This will help the certified Ethereum developers and certified Hyperledger developers to apply the theoretical and practical knowledge and gain real project exposure on all the facets of blockchain development activities. KBA also conducts various certified blockchain specialist programs. KBA offers the courses in different formats, which include a classroom-based instructor-led model as well as a self-paced online mode. Our certificates are issued on blockchain, which makes it tamper-proof and easily verifiable. KBA is the first academy in India to start this initiative. And here is a glimpse of our learning protocol. Our certified programs aim to provide experiential training to prepare a talent pool of blockchain professionals in all different kind of areas. We offer programs as per the individual aspiration to be a blockchain developer or engineer, consultant, architect, or executive using different blockchain framework covering the essential learning of blockchain technology and the industry use cases. Our certification programs cater to IT professionals and also non-IT professionals, and it provides a comprehensive suite of introductory, intermediate, and advanced programs as per the individual needs. Our program covers theory, demos, hands-ons, capstone projects, exercises, and lab practices. We have dedicated trainers with subject expertise. We provide hands-on lab sessions, and support is provided through learning management system, online chat, and so on. Here is our training record. Till now, KBA has trained more than 3,000 blockchain enthusiasts, which include 1,000 plus certified blockchain associates, 300 plus certified blockchain developers, and 200 plus certified blockchain architects. Our students are successfully placed in many big companies. Every year, a large number of KBA graduates are recruited by reputed blockchain firms and companies, including EVA, Panasonic, DigiLedge, etc. Next comes the KBA Garage. KBA Garage primarily focuses on industry and government collaborations for solution development using various blockchains such as Ethereum, Hyperledger Sawtooth, Hyperledger Fabric, Hyperledger Indy, EOS, and Corda. Now let us see some of the solutions from KBA Garage. AgroChain. It is a byproduct of KBA Garage. It is a blockchain-based transparent marketplace where the farmers and consumers can implement a cooperative farming ecosystem. The project has won Niti Aayog Prize at Proffer International Blockchain Hackathon and gold ticket entry to the Global Entrepreneurship Summit in 2017. Another solution is CertiChain, which is a blockchain-powered academic certificate issuance and verification app that helps academic institutions to issue their certificates into blockchain and makes certificate information accessible to all in a secured manner. Next, the skill chain. It is a platform providing resume management for migrant or unorganized laborers. Skillchain is a decentralized blockchain application that directly connects interstate migrant workers with potential employers. Skillchain helps government and other organizations to keep track of migrant laborers with a decentralized identity management capability. This helps the stakeholders to avoid illegal entries, identity misuses, and other fake identity issues. Next one is ImmunoChain. It is a traceability solution for vaccines in immunization programs. ImmunoChain can trace the details of vaccines administered for a child and also can trace the availability and usage of vaccines at various geographical locations. The real-time data of vaccine administrations received through ImmunoChain is intended to be beneficial for the healthcare officials to improve the effectiveness and coverage of the immunization process. Then about the blockchain research group in KPA. It is a new and exciting initiative to focus more on the blockchain research and development activities and knowledge creation. Our ambition is to make an academic platform to strengthen the contributions from academia, researchers, industry experts, and blockchain enthusiasts. KBA provides R&D research and development internships to students and faculties. KBA has tie-up with NITs, IITs, ISI Kolkata, Middle East College Oman, and University of Nicosia. Then Kerala Blockchain Academy Innovation Club, that is KBIC, which is a novel initiative by Kerala Blockchain Academy to help students from academic institutions across the country to explore deep into the potential of blockchain technology. KBIC provides an opportunity for students to work closely with experts and experiment with the latest advancement in this domain. Right now, there are 2,000 plus active members across 50 member institutions. Blockhash Live is an annual celebration hosted by KBA, bringing blockchain founders across the globe to connect, network, and share knowledge of blockchain. The International Blockchain Summit is conducted every year, celebrating the joy of partnership. Blockhash Live 2018 was conducted in Thiruvananthapuram. Blockhash Live 2019 was conducted in Kochi, and Blockhash Live 2020 was conducted through online mode. Here are some of the pictures from Blockhash Live. Eminent speakers and industry leaders such as Bob Tapscott from Blockchain Research Institute Canada and Jennifer Grayson, the founder and CEO of Neural. The Dr. Jane Thomason, the CEO of FinTech Worldwide. Then Martha Picasta, the Director of Ecosystem at Hyperledger. Then Julian Gordon, the Vice President of Asia Pacific at Hyperledger. And then Brian Berlenroth, the Executive Director of Hyperledger, and many other dignitaries delivered their keynote addresses during these events. With qualitative educational programs and research activities, KBA envisioned to impart qualitative living to humans. We seek to empower people to get into blockchain technology and build the basis for a successful career path. Thank you all. And I wish every female audience gathered here a happy Women's Day.